Well, this was not what I had in mind when I said I wanted waterfront property. Today's January 8th of 22. This is Scatter Creek. It's supposed to be a kilometer from my house, but here it is. There's the canoe. I paddled over to the pump house and shut the water off last night. Pump house is over there. This area is not supposed to be in a flood zone according to the 200-year flood maps. But I don't know when, but a while back they built a railroad spur and the culvert is not big enough. So water floods here where it never used to flood. My neighbors got really lucky. Their garage is flooded, but the water's not actually up to their floor level, so I think they might be okay. My neighbors across the road, the water is up to their front door. There's 2 or 3 feet of water over the driveway. This event happened really quick. It started flooding around 2 or 3 yesterday. I got home from work at 5:30. The water was up over my running boards already, and it actually came into the cab of my truck, which I didn't realize till I pulled up to my house. And then by 6:30, the water was already over my running boards just up on the road. So if I had pulled off into the driveway, it would have been flooding into the truck. So didn't want to do that. My neighbor was kind enough to let me park over at his place and just walk through the woods to my house. My property's good, except for this lowest corner back here. So that's all my property. So I've got Scatter Creek in my yard. It'd be really cool to live right on a creek where you can just jump in the canoe anytime you wanted to. But not like this. This isn't fun. Crazy times. We just had that Arctic blast, then a week of nothing but pouring rain. Now floods, highways are shut down. School was shut down on Friday for the kids. Crazy, crazy times. Crazy time to be alive.